80% of traders get smoked in the first 15 minutes. But what if that chaos is actually your golden setup? All right, traders, here's the deal. Most blow up their account before the coffee hits, but those same 15 minutes? That's where the big dogs, algos, and market makers set the tone for the day. Read that battle right, and you're not chasing the move, you are the move. That's the power of the 15-minute opening range breakout. Simple, clean, and deadly effective when used right. In this video, I'll show you how to spot the range, catch sniper entries, and manage risk like a pro. No fluff. Just a repeatable setup that flips chaos into consistency. Let's lock in your 15-minute edge starts now. All right, let's break this down visually. What you're looking at here is the classic 15-minute opening range breakout, or ORB. The first 15 minutes, from 9:30 to 9:45, give us two key levels, the high and the low. That's your opening range. Once we have that, our job isn't to jump in right away. See how price breaks above the high? That's our first signal, but it's not a green light yet. The trick is to wait for one more 1-minute candle to close and stay above that high. That confirmation tells us the breakout is holding. Then, and only then, we enter on the next candle, just like this example shows here. This simple confirmation step filters out so many fake moves and lets you trade with the side that's actually in control. Same logic works on the downside once price breaks below the low and confirms. That's your short setup. No guessing, no chasing, just structure and patience. Now here's where most traders get trapped. This is the fake-out zone. Notice what happens here. Price pokes below the range, but instead of continuing, it snaps right back and pushes above the high. This back and forth is where impatient traders lose money. The key rule here is simple. Do not enter until you have a confirmed breakout candle closing, fully outside the 15-minute range. If price is chopping between the high and low, it's telling you there's no winner yet. The market's still fighting for direction. So stay patient. Wait for that extra 1-minute candle to hold outside the range. That's your confirmation. The goal isn't to catch every move, it's to catch the right one when momentum has actually shifted beyond the 15-minute ORB. Every trader wants to catch the move early, but timing is everything. The 1-minute ORB is pure noise. Algos and market makers trap traders who jump in too soon with endless fakeouts. You'll get tons of signals, but most of them? Fakeouts. You're reacting to randomness, not real momentum. The 30-minute ORB is too slow. By the time it confirms, the move is already gone. The volatility's cooled, the breakout's halfway gone, and you're entering when the market's already breathing heavy. That's why the 15-minute range is the sweet spot. It gives the market time to shake out the noise, but still lets you catch real momentum. It's not too early to get faked out and not too late to miss the move. Just clean structure and direction. Years of trading data back it up. The 15-minute ORB filters randomness and captures the strongest setups of the day. It's the balance between risk and opportunity. The difference between chasing noise and trading with confidence. All right, let's put it all together. This is how you actually trade the 15-minute ORB step by step. From 9:30 to 9:45, you're not trying to predict direction, you're just observing. All you're doing is marking the high and the low of that range. That's your opening range, your battlefield for the day. Once you've got that box drawn, your job is simple. Wait for confirmation. No guessing, no jumping early. If price closes above the high, that's your first sign of strength, your long setup. Enter just above that breakout candle. Keep your stop loss inside the box near the opposite end, and aim for a target that's at least 1.5 times your risk. That gives you breathing room while locking in solid risk to reward. On the flip side, if price breaks and closes below the low, that's your short setup. Enter just below the breakout candle, place your stop just inside the range, and again, target about 1.5 R to keep your trades consistent and mechanical. The structure doesn't change, only the direction does. You're simply reacting to what price confirms, not what you think will happen. The beauty of the ORB is in its simplicity, no indicators, no guesswork. Just clean, rule-based execution you can repeat across any futures or prop firm account. Mark the range, wait for the breakout, define your stop, and let the trade play out. That's the difference between trading emotionally and trading with structure and patience and confidence. Here's the part most traders overlook: discipline. The 15-minute ORB is simple, but it demands patience. You have to let that range form and then wait for the breakout candle to close. Not half a candle, not a wick, a full confirmed close. That's where most traders fail. They jump too early because they want to be right instead of waiting to see who's right. Some of my best trading days came from taking just one clean ORB trade and walking away. You don't need 5 wins a day. You need one structured trade that follows your plan. And if the breakout fails, that's fine. Don't chase. Don't revenge trade. The market doesn't owe you a move. Every fake out, every pause, every moment of waiting, that's where your edge is built. Remember, patience isn't passive, it's precision. One clean trade, one calm mindset. That's how you stay consistent.
Your next step? Head over to rankpropfirms.com. Check out the side-by-side comparison and grab those promo codes before you jump into your next challenge. And if this video saved you some time or money, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.